Hello, I'm Helen. Today is the annual Chashan Garden Party in Dongguan. I have been looking forward to this day for a long time. And before I take part, I have to do some preparation. Guess what I'm going to do? Wow, look at this outfit. Do I look like a majestic general? I will be joining the Bléssing parade soon. But first, I have to complete my makeup now. I will definitely look very cool later.
I play the role of Dao Ma Dan. In southern China, Cantonese opera is a beloved art form that serves as a cultural inheritance and showcase. In Chashan town, this performing art has been well preserved and passed through generations. Teachers from the Han Xishui Opera Art Association in Chashan town are instructing me in the classic movements of Dao Ma Dan. These teachers have been participating in the Bléssing parade for the past decade, and with their exquisite skills, they have added many highlights to the parade.
I think I have mastered all the movements. It's almost time. Let's set off. Hey, I'm waiting in the parade right now. There are so many people and I feel just a little bit nervous, but the atmosphere is exciting. Wow!
The Chashan Garden Party is an important folk activity with a long history in Chashan town of Dongguan. Its most significant highlight is the Bléssing parade, a ritual procession praying for a year of good weather and prosperous crops. It effectively promotes the inheritance of related intangible cultural heritages.
I didn't expect participating in the parade to be so tiring, but it's also quite interesting, isn't it? The Chashan Garden Party is undoubtedly a vibrant and charming cultural feast, and I believe there are still more exciting things waiting for me to discover. Hope you have a good time. Goodbye!